Alright, I'm doing a bike check because I just got new stuff and I can't go out and ride yet. I'm nearly finished, just need to get my front wheel built, which is We The People Supreme female, which I had to spray, and a Primo 6 series that's a bit fucked, and I had to spray it, but it'll do. New tyre, premium resist, which is a monster. It's 2.5 inches wide, and I know that because I measured it, and it barely fits in. And it'll get fatter when the wider rim's on. New fit shifts, new BSD 2 loose bars. They were 28, but they've been cut down to 27 when I bought them, so I'll have to get used to it. Clashette grips as usual. New Verde headset. I hate this loop with the spacers, and I need to cut the tube or something. It's fucking haunted. I finally got, but it's not fixed. As you can, I'll try and show you. The insert's still not all the way in, but it's enough. And they're Odyssey plastics. Hollow bites, the claw bottom bracket, cartel frame, same sprocket, and the back spokes will be getting changed to black as well. Should be a bit more unison. Yeah. Certainly feels much better.